Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing network and permission issues that commonly break voice assistants. Check that the assistant is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or hub. Confirm your router is online and internet speed is stable for at least 2 Mbps. Reboot the assistant by unplugging power for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Restart your phone and the companion app after the device reboots. Open the app and verify microphone and network permissions are enabled for reliable voice capture. Next, focus on software updates and voice model repair to improve responses. Open the companion app and install the latest firmware and app updates immediately. Updates often contain fixes for recognition, connectivity, and security vulnerabilities. Retrain the wake word or your voice model inside the app to improve accuracy for your accent. Perform a soft reset or cache clear from settings if performance remains poor after updates. Consider a factory reset only if issues persist after all updates and retraining are complete. Finally, inspect hardware, placement, and gather logs before contacting support for escalation. Clean microphone grills gently with a soft, dry brush to avoid damage to sensitive ports. Position the assistant at least 3 feet from speakers and at ear level for optimal voice pickup. Reduce radio interference by moving the device 3 to 6 feet away from routers, baby monitors, and cordless phones. If problems persist, collect diagnostic logs of roughly 5 MB using the app export tool. Contact manufacturer support with logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.